Hopi. Ooh. Hopi, it's your anniversary. Go ahead. Okay.
She's gonna make a mess.
Something tells me she'll clean it up if she makes a mess. Wait. I think I need to hold it for her. Do you want that? Here. Oh, she's taking a huge bite of it.
Maybe we should let it thaw out a little more. Wow.
She's wagging her tail.
She doesn't get sick.
That's for, it's dog sorbet, right?
And they call it cow paws. To fuck fishes.
Just to the noise she's making. Look at that tail. She's so happy. Hopi, is that good? Oh my god. She's like taking bites of it. This is gonna, yeah, that's gonna go toward the wall. Take a break. Good girl. Yes, it's for you. Maybe she just wants to take a break.
Give her a break. I want eating all that stuff at the same time.
She's got wild eyes.
Okay, Hopi, go.
Okay. Good girl.
Good girl, Hopi.
Good girl. We love you, Hopi. Yeah, take care of that.